ready to supercharge your manual testing process and bring order to the QA chaos. Let's jump into Jira and see how QA teams can create test cases. First, you'll create a new issue. Select Create. This opens a dialog box. In the issue type field, you'll select the appropriate issue type, like test case. Think of each test case as a recipe, a detailed set of instructions designed to verify software features are working well. Now, let's build your test case. You'll add a descriptive title, such as user login successful. Focus on the test step section here. You meticulously record each step. The tester will take the actions they should perform and what the expected result is. Next, running a test case. Testers execute each step, marking the outcome. A past entry shows the test case works. If something is off, say a feature doesn't behave like expected, they will record an entry as failed. Did a failure happen? It's time to log a bug. The bug's details in the bug report should be filled out, where you summarize the issue, offer steps to reproduce the problem, and assign it to a developer. Jira's search and filtering capability lets you build dashboards and reports focused on project issues. Create custom filters to track and prioritize bugs, monitor testing progress, and get a holistic view of your project's quality. You'll be able to see your testing efforts in a consolidated view.